Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Robin Trower. We are going to react to the song Day of the Eagle. This is our first time seeing the big honest reaction.
Yeah, we love listening to music and giving an open, honest, sincere and unbiased review to the songs. Obviously, when we do that, there will be some people who may not like what we have to say and they will be against us in the comments as well as otherwise. We are not going to change ourselves or the work, the manner in which we do it for the world. We may have the world against us, but us too, we'll keep on doing it honestly, sincerely, openly, and in an unbiased manner. And because we've done so for the last 2.5 years, we are still here. We're still here despite whatever shortcomings we may have or whatever obstacles that have been in the way, and there have been quite a few. Besides whatever discrimination we have faced, we've rode the tide. We've rode it and we've rode it so well that we are still here. And I'm not boasting about it. It is an achievement to just be here on a platform like this. And we are the only reactors in the history of YouTube. I've checked. The only reactors in the history of YouTube who have reacted and given holistic reviews to songs, not just heard and cut it at the end of the song with just 10 words and you're done. We have given proper reviews to more than 1,000 artists and 4,500 songs. We are the only reactors who have done it. Once again, that's an achievement and that highlights who we are. If we weren't open, honest, sincere, I don't think YouTube or anyone else would have tolerated us for this long. The reason we are here is because we've been honest and true, and this song will be no different. We'll listen to it and we'll react to it the way we would react to it if we heard it in our own home. That's the way we listen to music. It doesn't matter whether the camera is on or not. If Kirti and I heard it, even off camera, we would say the exact same things what we say in our video. And trust me, that's one of the most difficult things to do on this platform or any other platform out there. The most difficult thing to do is what we do. Listen to it as if we are listening to it in our living room with the camera not even on. Obviously with me looking at you right now, you say, oh, you're looking at me, you're looking at the camera. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the review itself. We speak as if we speak like we speak with each other.
Yeah.
And the reason we look at the camera so much, especially Kirti, is because we can see each other in the camera. It's like a selfie camera. So it's not that we are actually looking at you. Don't be offended by that itself. We are looking at each other. Beautiful, beautiful. A power-packed song with a gentle ending. So delicate, so gentle, so beautiful. Wow. I'm dying to hear what Kirti has to say about this song. This is the kind of music she likes, evidently.
I like it. It
What are
is
your
entertaining for me. It is definitely entertaining for me. The way the guitar was played, the method or the technique of playing it was like as if I'm listening to the different shades of the moods of the guitar. The guitar wants to be happy and you hear that. It's not the person who's playing, it's the guitar I'm talking about. As if the guitar is controlling the sound over here. It wants to slow down and it slows down. It wants to be fast and it is fast. Towards the end we heard what was happening. It was as if it was all about the moods of the guitar more than anything else. I like this way of playing. This is nice, nice to listen to. And for the lyrics of the song, very interesting, very interesting and very true to, I would say, to a great extent. There were two names that were given, two birds rather. One is eagle and one is the dove. We both know the eagle is a predatory kind of creature, and dove is the one that has to be protected.
Eagle is also magnificent, majestic, beautiful, especially when it spreads its wings and flying high in the wild.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so beautiful.
So what he's trying to talk about, he is on the quest of finding his lover, finding the love of his life. But the way people advise him, the kind of things that he sees around, it's pretty rough, very aggressive. Where he likes to take it slow and gentle. He's on the gentle side. He likes to do things his own way. So he rather, be like the dove or something like that, be a gentle guy, than be what the times are going. It's the day of the eagle, not of the dove. Like he mentioned, that everybody has a different idea than what is mine. He wants to go soft, but things are rough around him.
This music was so entertaining. It was so powerful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's good that it ended the way it did, because after all that, by my reaction, you could say, people will be a bit, exhausted in a good way. So they need to cool down, get back to normal. And this song does exactly that. Very well planned and beautiful arrangement of the music and vocals. Vocals were very earthy, strong and fulfilling to listen to. It paints a wonderful picture while he sings. He's got a very narrative kind of voice while he sings. Beautiful voice, great sound of the guitar, the drums too. Beautiful song overall. Wonderful to listen to. That's it for this one. This was a Patreon request by Tim, a new patron. This is it for this one. Check out our Patreon page to learn more about us, our channel, and the work we do. The link is in the description box below.